All right, let's work out some few calculations, right? See how much money is this? Just a few of them. I'm not going to show you all of them, but nonetheless, let's do this, right? Let me just quickly share the other screen. Just going to do this first one, right? And then I'll do that, right? Yeah. So there's my calculator right there. I'm going to quickly select a few accounts and then we see as far as how we could calculate what's the amount, right? This is just the daily trades, right? So let's see how much in profits we have made today. I'm just going to click today right here, as you can see. I'm going to click, as you can see right there. And here's another one. I'm going to pack them up like this. Uh, Custom. You can't make this thing up. Unfortunately, you can't, right? There's another one, 9-7. You can make this thing up today. There you have it. Uh, Another one. I just need another one. There we have it. 909. You can't make this thing up. Custom today, as you can see. Click right there. There you have it. Let's get another one. You can't make this thing up. Click custom, pop up today. As you can see, honestly, you can't make this thing up. Custom, just try to be quick on this. Just gonna select a few of them that can fit on the screen, and then the others we're gonna add or whatever. Or I'm just gonna only add the ones that fit on the screen, right? So this is only the profits that I made today. So let's see as far as how much is it in total, right? You can make this shit up. Honestly, you just can't. You have another one, custom. We're gonna say what today, as you can see right there. Another one, 9. Okay, those are the ones that can fit on the screen. I'm gonna add another one as we calculate to see as far as how much we make. Right, we're gonna add 885, 885 plus, right? And then we have 8, 7, no, it's 83, 837.50 plus, I'm gonna say 9, 7, right? 6.25 plus. I wonder why the units are always 25, 50, and it's always to the nearest. How much we have here? 909, 909.50, as you can see right here. Plus, okay, I wonder why. We have 913, right? 0.7575. And then we're gonna say plus. Then we have another one right here, 8890, right? You can make this thing up, unfortunately. Plus, I added this one, right? 890. And then we have 951, 951.25 plus 853.75, right? 75 plus, right? 911, right? The Porsche 911.25. Okay, those are the ones that I have here. Let me just quickly get another one. We have it, 713, as you can see right there. I'm just gonna add this one. So, oh boy, what happened now? Uh, okay, let me just quickly bring all those accounts back. Uh, Now this is a lot of work now. All right, there we have it. those are the ones that we have, right? So let me just quickly get that calculator once again, right? We had the 70, what was that? The last one, I didn't add it. What was it? 713. Okay, let me just add this one so these things can be easier. 713, right? So how much we have? We get 8,841 USD, right? So there we have it, just for a single day, right? So a single day you make 8,000 in dollars, right? 8,841. This is not all, by the way. So I'm just gonna only show you this. It's fine, just to save time. So let's see how much we have. How much is this in total? So I'm just gonna say, okay, let me get rid of the pen. I'm just gonna say multiply this. Let me just work with a rate of exchange of 17 instead of 15, even though it's 15 today. And let's just see how much would that be. 150K, right? That's 150K, not much. Uh, but how many of you would like to make 150K in a day? I've been showing you a series of the same thing repeatedly for the whole entire week or even weeks prior. It's the same thing. So there you have it, 100 301, 25, right? There you have it, 150K in a single day. I'm not even done yet with all the accounts, including trading as well. So this is how you make money. Nevertheless, for those who, this is basically the third day of the last week for the closing for the 10 million. If you still want to jump onto it, you're more than welcome. I'll have an exceptional for only the next 2 working days. By Monday, if you want to jump onto the 10 million, unfortunately, I'll only accept for Mondays. Any day than that, I could care less, even though I still have many spots which are available to fill up. Um, but anyway, I'm not going to accept anyone coming from any other day from that day. So you still have a chance. If you want to jump onto it, make sure you DM me, WhatsApp me, whatever, just to get a hold of me. So there you have it. Cheers.